Namaste. It's me Vishnu Kumari Adhikari from Pokhara. I am very pleased to introduce as a student of Kathmandu University, the School of Education. I have trained my master's in education in STEAM approach by partially. Among the various classes of innovative pedagogy, I am very impressed and motivated by the design thinking model. Okay, let's look how I applied the lesson plan in my teaching activities by using design thinking model. Good morning, my dear student. I humbly hope that you are fine. Today, also we are going to have a project about the energy crisis. So, I want to hear from you what you studied yesterday and what you have the knowledge about the previous class. Please, my dear student, do you have any idea or can anyone reflect about yesterday? Yes. Okay, please. After that, one of you stand up and reflect about yesterday.
Yesterday our lesson was about the energy crisis. Finally, ma'am raised the issues of energy crisis and its impact that was currently faces and a great problem our near future. We had shared our previous knowledge, and then my friends informed about the renewable and non-renewable sources. Anil gave the example of non-renewable sources, coal, oil and petroleum things. And Sadiq gave example of renewable sources, solar energy, wind energy and hydroelectricity, etc. Then we discussed how to generate solar energy, wind energy, biogas and mini-ship, etc. You told us to bring reusable materials from our house, so we have brought these materials. Thank you.
1, 2.
Thank you very much, my dear students. I am so pleased to hear from you. Okay, any of you would like to add something on it?
Yes, ma'am, we are very excited to add this project today. So we brought these materials for this project.
Thank you very much, Salis. So I am very excited to see your project. Okay, after that, anyone, please?
Yes, ma'am. There is a big possibility of solar energy in Nepal because Nepal is a sunshine country and solar energy is going to be the solution of energy crisis. Thank you.
Very good, Salis sir. After that, anyone, please?
Yes, ma'am. There is a possibility of wind energy because there are very hills and mountains.
I want to add one more point. As we know that Nepal is the second richest country in terms of water resource, we can cope energy crisis by producing hydroelectricity. Thank you.
Very good. So much, my dear student. I am very happy to hear the reflection of yesterday. So, this is the time of project. Are you happy?
Yes! Let's go.
Let's can bring various ideas how to cope with energy crisis. Okay, please observe how my students are working in a collaborative way to build a solar car, windmill and a mini ship.
Namaste everyone, it's me Sophia Thapa from Misnobi Secondary School Class 10. As we know, there are different types of energy sources. energy sources have to make our work easier and convenient. After studying the energy crisis, our expected ma'am emphasized on how to cope with energy crisis. So we watched videos, discovered in the classroom, and finally brought various ideas about how to eliminate the energy crisis. And the best way of energy crisis is the solar energy. Solar energy is the future of it is safe and economical alternative. So as a project, by using the raw materials and the waste materials as well as required materials, we could harvest the solar energy. So my friends are going to tell about what the materials are required, how is it work and advantages too. Thank you.
Fortunately, our group was complete this project work due to the excellent coordination of our groups. As we know that this is the solar car and it is totally depend upon the sun. So I would like to tell the materials that are used in the preparation of this solar car. Now I bring this plate or sheet from the broken part of the remote, and this plastic is from the bottles, and this wheel from toys, and I bring this solar panel and this motor and wire from the market. The cheap cost and cheap price, we complete this project. So I like to tell the mechanism of this solar car. Is I already told that it is depend upon the sun. This solar panel helps to absorb the heat from the sun, and the heat energy is converted into the electrical energy by the solar panel, and through the wire the electricity pass, and this motor, and then the rotate, and then the solar car runs. This much. Thank you.
So I'm going to tell the merits of solar car. It is environment friendly, it is prepared in cheap cost and cheap time, it is long lasting and can be renewed after it's exhausted, it is pollution free, it is safe type of energy, that is no chance of current or any accidents. So we have to focus on this type of energy sources in order to conserve non-renewable energy sources like petrol, diesel, etc.
Namaste, it's me Akansha Karki. As a student, we are facing lots of energy crisis already. For future, Nepal is a mountainous country, so there is a big possibility of harvesting wind energy in Nepal. There are various alternative sources of energy like solar energy, light energy, wind energy, geothermal energy and hydroelectricity. Now my friend is going to tell and demonstrate how we build this windmill. We have constructed our project windmill. We have used many materials while making it like cardboard, fan, DC motor, cell, wire, etc. It is just an example of windmill. Fan rotate through battery, but in real it is rotate through wind. When fan rotate by the help of turbine, energy is stored inside the cell and we get energy. So windmill is working like this.
Advantages of wind energy. Some of them are wind energy is sustainable in nature. Wind energy does not contaminate. Wind energy is eco-friendly in nature, and even wind energy can be built in any existing areas or farms. This is only some advantages of wind energy.
At the beginning, I used the packet of toffees and used some parts of my old toys like motors, wire, switch, etc. and यसको चल्ने मेकानिजम चाहिँ यसको यो प्यानलले चाहिँ यसलाई दुईतिर चाहिँ चारैतिर जानलाई सपोर्ट गर्छ। यो प्यानलले यतातिर घुम्यौं भने हामी यतातिर जान्छ, यतातिर घुम्यौं भने यतातिर जान्छ, र यसको यो पंखाले चाहिँ यसलाई अगाडितिर धकाल्नमा हेल्प गर्छ। अनि यसको यो तलको यो फ्यानले चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ आफ्नो पोजिसनमा रहनलाई हेल्प गर्छ। र मेरो अब बेनिफिटहरु चाहिँ मेरो साथीले भन्ने छन्। धन्यवाद।
Namaste everyone. Through the help of our teacher Vishnu ma'am, we are able to complete our project. We know that Nepal is a developing country, so we don't have many facilities here. And in Nepal, our vehicles are heavily run by fuels, which affect our environment. So we made an electrical mini ship, which doesn't affect our environment. We know that Nepal is a landlocked country, so there isn't any ocean to run big ship or cargo. So we made a mini electrical ship. We are from Pokhara, so there are many lakes in Pokhara. We can use our mini electrical ship in Pokhara and also can enjoy it. If through our ship we can transport big goods from one place to another place, and it also doesn't affect our environment. Now my project mate will demonstrate about the functional uses and benefits of our mini electrical ship. Thank you.
I am very pleased to share about my feelings about design thinking models, how it worked in my teaching activities. In design thinking model, students are actively participate. They are motivated to work as a project. They can identify the problem, they can define the problem, solve the problem, and bring the various ideas. Finally, they have a prototype. So, I request all the teachers to use the design thinking model if possible.